Hi everybody, Bill Keller Williams, and I'm here at 1606 Brookside Drive in McLean, Virginia. New construction. This is PC Custom Homes. It's a gorgeous new construction home, around 8,000 square feet. He's about 2 months from being complete. We're having a dusty boot open house. One of the best things about this open house is, come on by. I've got a new batch of Charlie's hot pepper jelly. You can pick up a batch of this, take a look at the home. Let me have you come inside just for a sneak peek. I want to show you this office that he's designed in here. It's got 14-foot ceilings. All right, see you Sunday 2 to 4, 1606 Brookside Drive, and have an awesome day. All right, guys, I'll tell you what, come on in and take a look, and this is a sneak peek on the far wing of the house. This is the office. By trade, the builder is a carpenter, and what he's done here is this is an office or a study. 14-foot ceilings, natural fireplace, and look what it looks out to. What he's doing here, he's permitted for it, and this is a waterfall that these doors are going to open up, and it's a waterfall and come down. You'll have that nice sound when you're working. And 2 to 4 on Sunday. Make sure you guys come by. The new batch is on fire. Charlie's hot pepper jelly. Come on by and have an awesome day. Thanks.